Hello students, welcome to class 7th maths on my YouTube channel. Now we will begin practice set 51 on textbook page number 93. Use the formula to multiply the following. First one, x plus y, x minus y. In this you have to use the formula a plus b, a minus b. Write the formula now. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. The question is in a plus b and a minus b form. Okay. X is in a side and y is in b side. If question is in a plus b and a minus b form, you have to write in this form. So write the question again and then you have to write in this form. Okay. X plus y, x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. Next, 3x minus 5, 3x plus 5. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Question what is given, write again and write in this form. Which number is on a side and which number is on b side, you have to understand that, students. 3x minus 5, 3x plus 5 is equal to 3x square minus 5 square. You have to solve this part now. So this is not the final answer. That is equal to 9x square minus 25. Square of 5 is 25. Okay. Square of 3x square is 9x square. First you have to multiply the square of the variable. Square of the variable remain the same. X square remain x square. Then 3 square is 9. So final answer is 9x square minus 25. Next, a plus 6, a minus 6. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A plus 6, a minus 6 is equal to a square minus 6 square. Now solve this one. Square of the variable remain the same and you have to multiply only the square of the number. Okay. Is equal to a square minus 36. 6 square is 6 6 are 36. So this is the final answer. A square minus 36 is the final answer. Next, x upon 5 plus 6, x upon 5 minus 6. X upon 5 plus 6, x upon 5 minus 6. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. That is x upon 5 plus 6. You can put in bracket over here. Then x upon 5 minus 6 is equal to x upon 5 the whole square minus 6 square. X upon 5 is in a side and 6 is in b side. You have to understand in place of a and b what you have to write in question. And then you have to solve this part. Okay. That is equal to x square upon 25 minus 36. Square of 6 is 36. Okay. And here in a square part, numerator and denominator is there. Fraction is given form. First you have to solve numerator part. Square of the variable remain the same. That is x square. Okay. And now you have to solve on denominator part. Denominator is 5. Square of 5 is 25. Next, use the formula to find the values. First one is 502 into 498. You have to write expansion form of a plus b, a minus b like this. 500 plus 2, 500 minus 2. Okay, and then you have to solve in a square minus b square. Why 500 plus 2, 500 minus 2 over here? Here, first one number is 502. Okay, unit place you have number 2. If the number is less than 5 or number 1 to 5 in the unit place, you have to take addition expansion form. Unit place you have to write 2 as it is, and here 5 is in which place? 100 place. So that's why it is 500. So 500 plus 2 is 502. Okay, first part addition expansion form, and second part over here subtraction expansion form. Why subtraction expansion form? I'll tell you. Unit place number 498 is 8. The number is more than 5. 8 is the number more than 5. So you have to take subtraction expansion form. After 498, which number is coming? 499. After 499, which number is coming? 500. Unit place should be 0, and then you have to stop. From 500, how much number difference to get 498? 2. Okay. So 500 minus 2. So now solve it. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. That is 500 plus 2. 500 minus 2 is equal to 500 square minus 2 square. Now you have to solve this only part. Answer is getting 500 square means 500 multiplied by 500. That is 2,50,000. Okay. Minus 2 square. 2 2s are 4. Now you have to subtract this. Answer is getting 2,49,996. Okay. You can check the answer here, which I have done here. 500 into 500, how much zeros are there total? 4 zeros. So this is 4 zeros I have added here, and then 5 square is 25. This is simple multiplication. And then 2,50,000 minus 4. I have subtracted this one. Answer is getting 2,49,996. Now we will do next sum. 97 into 103. Write the expansion form of a plus b, a minus b. First one is coming a minus b. Second one is coming a plus b. First one number is 97. Unit place is number 7, and it is more than 5. So it can come a minus b. And second one is coming a plus b. Unit place is 3. It is number less than 5. So after 97, unit place to get is coming 100. 98, 99, 100. How much difference is there of 100? 3 difference to get number 97. So 100 minus 3. Then second one is 100 plus 3. First one is subtraction expansion form, and next is addition expansion form. Okay. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. That is 100 minus 3. 100 plus 3 is equal to 100 square minus 3 square. 100 into 100 is 10,000. Answer. Okay. Minus 3 square is 9. 3 3s are 9. 10,000 minus 9, subtract it now. How much getting? I am getting answer this. 9,991. Okay. Look here. I have solved. 100 square is 10,000. Then 10,000 minus 9 is 9,991. Okay. If first one is coming subtraction expansion form and second one is coming addition expansion form, formula will be used same, a square minus b square. Remember this. Next one, 54 into 46. So it is coming 50 plus 4, 50 minus 4. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. 50 plus 4, 50 minus 4 is equal to 50 square minus 4 square. 50 square means 2,500 minus 4 square means 4 4s are 16. Answer is getting 2,484 after subtracting this one. I have subtracted here. Check. Now last sum is remaining. 98 into 102. 100 minus 2. 100 plus 2. Here also first one is coming subtraction expansion form. Second one is coming addition expansion form. Okay. You have to always look the number in the unit place when you are writing the expansion form of a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. 100 minus 2, 100 plus 2 is equal to 100 square minus 2 square. Square of 100 is 10,000 minus square of 2 is 4. 10,000 minus 4, answer is getting 9,996. Look here which I have solved. If you like this maths video lessons, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.